Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool 3-slot payphone, and this is Robert's equipment from Florida, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done. We want to troubleshoot the handset, the transmitter, the receiver, and the handset cord. We want to troubleshoot the hook switch, the rotary dial. We want to go through the coin validator and make sure all the coins are falling into the coin box area. We also want to install a modular line port on this unit so that Robert can simply bring in any length line cord, any color that he chooses, plug right into the modular line port, makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. Now the front cover lock for this unit is broken, and so Robert located a front cover lock and key. Now we also want to take care of the issue of the vault door. The lock is missing. Someone ran a carriage bolt through the vault door to hold it on, and Robert located a vault lock and key, so we'll take care of that issue. Robert also located a coin box for this unit, and that's in good condition. It looks like it might be old new stock. Now the bracket that would normally accept the coin box is missing, so we will locate that bracket and install it into the unit so that it will properly accept the coin box. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool 3-slot payphone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of working on the coin validator. We want to make sure that all the coins are falling through the coin validator and into the coin box. So we want to go ahead and start out with a quarter. That will gong one time. We're going to do a dime. That will ring the bell 2 times. Sometimes the video will not pick up that second ring of the bell. It happens so quickly. We'll go ahead and do a nickel. That will ring the bell 1 time. Another quarter. 1 more dime. And 1 last nickel. Now what we want to do is go ahead and check our coin box for our coins, and we've installed our vault lock. So we'll go ahead and remove our vault door, check our coin box, Robert's getting rich with bubblegum money. We'll set that to the side. Now we want to talk about the coin box and the lid for the coin box. The latch has to be reset clockwise about a quarter of a turn each time that you remove the cash box from the payphone. And the reason why they do that is so that our trap door will not open. And now that the latch has been reset, our linkage can open our trap door. Now if you remove it from the payphone, the trap door will shut and you can no longer move the linkage. They did that to keep the people on the road that were collecting the coins out of the cash box. So now our trap door will move. We can go ahead and put the vault door back on. Now that we've been through the coin validator, we've also talked about the coin box and how to set the latch on the coin box door, and the vault lock has been installed. We want to move forward onto rewiring this payphone. We want to rewire this payphone the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. The payphone was wired improperly, and that needs to be taken care of. So we'll take care of that issue. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process of this really cool 3-slot payphone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of this really cool 3-slot payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. I'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now what we want to do is transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang up our handset. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive, We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, August 18th. The current time, 5:17 p.m. and the temperature, 79 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool 3-slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Robert and he can enjoy this 3-slot payphone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.